In this video, I'll be teaching you how to create a sales page using ChatGPT. A sales page is a simple mini one-page website that sells a particular product. Okay, it talks about a product. So if you're into internet marketing, sales page shouldn't be a new word to you. If you're into digital marketing, it shouldn't be a new word. If you're into any form of online business, sales page should not be a new word to you. Okay, not everybody finds it easy to create a sales page. Of course, I know it can be burdensome. The days of thinking, creating, imagining, writing, putting the words together so that it can be compelling and attractive enough for your prospects to take action and pay for whatever you want to sell on that page. So creating a sales page is not just a day job for a beginner. Okay, it's not just a day job, and to some experts, depending on the kind of sales page they want to create, it's not still a day job. While to some experts it's a day job. Okay, it's just a couple of sitting down for hours, okay, and getting it done. So whether you are an expert, a beginner, or an intermediate when it comes to creating sales page, I want to show you how to use Chat GPT to create a sales page, okay, and also how to use Google Bard, okay, to create a sales page. This is going to make your work easy, okay. It's going to make your work way much easy. Then coupled with your expertise, you can tweak the result that you got from Chat GPT or Google Bard. You can tweak it to make it look more professional to your test. Okay, so first of all, every sales page is talking about a product, right? So you should have a product, and we're going to assume a product. We're going to assume a product here. Remember that we need to be as descriptive as possible. So first of all, we're going to tell Chat GPT about our product. Okay, so we're going to paste this prompt. I've already described my product, so I'm going to tell Chat GPT that I sell skincare product. Okay, so I'm going to describe the skincare product, and I will tell Google Bard the same thing. Okay, so I say I sell skincare product for women of the age of 20 to 45 that removes acne. Okay, sorry if I don't get the pronunciation, but this is a skin disease or what, or a skin infection, I don't know. So, and black spot, okay, on skin. Do you understand? So I'm going to tell this to Chat GPT. All right, then I will tell Google Bard the same thing, describe the product. I'll say, do you understand? Okay, let's check. Chat GPT says yes, I understand. Okay, Google Bard says yes, I understand. Okay, all right, so we're going to tell Chat GPT the product name, okay, about this product and what it does. So it says I sell a product called Combat A cream, okay, that removes acne and black spots on the skin. Do you understand? Okay, I'm going to tell Google Bard the same thing. All right, so let's say it says yes, I understand. Combat A cream is a skin care product that you sell, specifically formulated to remove acne and black spot on the skin. It is designed to address these specific skin concerns and aims to provide a solution for individuals looking to improve the appearance and health of their skin by targeting acne and hyperpigmentation issues. Okay, if you have any specific question or need further assistance regarding Combat A cream or your skin business, feel free to ask. Okay, so I tried the same prompt with Google Bard. It's saying it doesn't understand, it can't assist me further, but that's not the problem. We still have Chat GPT. Okay, so at this point we're going to ask Chat GPT to write us a sales page. Okay, now while writing a sales page,
There are formulas you can use to write a sales page, and one of the formula is the PAS formula. Okay, PAS formula means problem, agitation, solution. Is a model that some people who design sales page use. Problem, agitation, solution. And we have the AIDA formula or model, that is attention, interest, desire, and action. So we're going to ask ChatGPT to write us a sales page using this formula. Okay, so I'm going to say I want you to write a sales page using the problem, agitation, solution model. Okay, for Format A cream. Okay, I'm going to send it. Now let's ask Google Bard the same thing and see what happens. Okay, now in this case I'm going to tell Google Bard that this Format A cream removes black spot and accents. Okay, so that we can correct this second step that he did not get. Okay, so okay, let's see, removes and black spots on the skin. Okay, so let's give the command. All right, so you can see that Google Bard has given me a sales page that talks about the problem, agitation, solution. Okay, all right, it says click here to order now. So when you read this, it says, do you have acne and black spot on your skin? Are you tired of feeling conscious about your appearance? Do you want to clear up your skin and feel confident again? This is a problem, agitation. Acne and black spots can be a major source of insecurity. They can make you feel self-conscious and embarrassed, and they can even lead to depression. If you are struggling with acne and black spots, you are not alone. Millions of people around the world suffer from this. Okay, so it now gives you a solution and now asks you to click to order. Okay, so let's see what ChatGPT says. Okay, ChatGPT gave us a warning about Format A cream. Right, so I'm going to rename this Format A cream. I'm going to call it a different name. You know, Format A cream is a popular product, so it says Format A cream has an active ingredient, okay, which is a potent corticosteroid. Okay, so it says instead I can help you write a sales page for a different and safe and effective acne black spot removal product. So no, I just want to let me change the product. Okay, let me change the product. So here I'm going to edit this particular prompt. I'm going to remove Format A. Okay, I'm going to call it clear spot. Let me call it clear spot cream. Okay, so I'm going to click save and submit. All right, so you can see that we now have clear spot cream. Okay, so I'm going to use the same prompt. Okay, so I'm going to ask it to write the source page for clear spot cream. Okay, so I'm going to change this from Format A to clear spot. Okay, using the problem agitate solution model. Okay, so remember we have that of Google Bard. So what you do is you copy this and paste on your notepad. All right, and you read. Okay, now you can see that Chat GPT has given us, or is still writing his own sales page. Okay, wow, looking at these two, I will go for Chat GTP, because you can see that when you read through, you will notice that this sales page can be compared to some of the sales pages that a professional or an expert will write. It does not sound like a beginner at all, with the places you can add your call to action and the rest of it. Okay, so now remember we are using a model called PAS model, problem, agitation or agitate solution model. Okay, so you can always ask ChatGPT to write for you another copy. Okay, so we're going to ask it to write another copy using a different formula, and this time around this formula is called AIDA formula: attention, interest, desire, action formula. Okay, so we're going to say write another copy, write another sales page with this formula. So I said write another sales page using attention, interest, desire, action model. Okay, that sells from that A cream. No, we're going to change it to clear spot cream. Okay, clear spot cream. Okay, so you give the command. So let's check Google Bard. We're going to say we're going to use format A for Google Bard because it had already started working with format A for the PAS formula. Okay, so we give the command. All right, and let's see what happens. Can you see? Can you see? Beautiful. By the time you read through this sales page, you will see that this sales page sounds like a sales page written by an expert. A beginner's work in terms of writing a sales page cannot come near to this. Okay, you can see that it has call to actions. Okay, and it has a kind of FOMO, fear of missing out. Okay, it says for the next 48 hours get an exclusive discount. Okay, so it puts the FOMO effect. So this is a beautiful sales page copy that anybody can use. Okay, so let's check Google Bard. All right, okay, Google Bard gave us something. All right, so here what you do now is that you copy this sales page, you copy it. Okay, you copy it and paste on your notepad, read through. Now you don't add the action, you don't add the desire. No, it's just a model. Okay, you read through it and you copy it. Areas where you need to change some sentences or some words or phrases, you do that. But if you are okay with it, then what you do is you head over to your sales page builder. Okay, the sales page builder that you're using on your website, there are different sales page builders. Okay, so you head over to now designing your sales page. Now what Chat GPT and Google Bard does for you is that the time that you will use to write your sales page copy, okay, sit down for some days or for some hours or for some weeks, depending on how efficient you are when it comes to creating sales page. Okay, now Chat GPT and Google Bard has solved that problem for you. They have given you the script. Okay, they have given you the copy you need for your sales page. All you need to do is head over to your sales page and design it. Now I have a beautiful sales page builder that I use. Okay, I use this sales page builder and I've been using it for over um 2 years now. Okay, since I discovered it, I had to drop every other sales page builder I use even on my website, and I use it. You can link into your website, you can use it as a standalone sales page builder. Okay, and it is free. So I'm going to drop the link to this sales page on the description area of this video or the resource folder. Okay, just check around, you're going to see a link to this sales page builder, and how to use this sales page builder will be there too. You can use it to create your sales page. So at this point you copy your text. Okay, you copy your sales page copy, keep it somewhere in your notepad, okay, or your document file, and you now design your sales page. Remember that your sales page is a combination of words, okay, letters and images. Okay, so your sales page must not be beautiful, must not be too beautiful. It's good to have a beautiful sales page, but mind you, it is not the beauty that sells whatever you are selling on that sales page. It is your copy. Okay, it is your copy that sells and your right audience. Okay, so you can even go further by asking Chat GPT to give you 5 catchy headlines. Okay, for this sales page. Give 5 catchy headline for the sales page above. Okay, let's copy this too. Can you see? So even if you don't know the headline you can use, you can get from these suggestions. Okay, now let's ask Google Bard to do the same thing. Can you see? So you have your headline, you have your sales page copy. So this is how you can use Chat GPT and Google Bard to create a sales page. The work is 60% done. The remaining work is to now read through this sales page copy and fix it on your sales page design. Okay, design your sales page and fix it, and there you go, you have a sales page. I have a video on how to create or design a sales page. Okay, I have a video on that, and I also have a course on sales page and funnel design. You can ask for it and get it, and the course is really full of information. It's very educative. It's going to help you become a better sales page designer and funnel creator. So I hope this video helps you and gives you clarity on how to use Chat GPT and Google Bard to create a sales page copy. Okay, do well to subscribe to our channel, like this video, comment, and give us a thumbs up.